Magandang araw! Allow me to share with you ang pinakabagong HMO plan ni Medicard. This HMO plan is exclusively designed for government employees. Now na yung government ay magpo-provide ng 7,000 pesos budget per government employee to allocate for the healthcare and medical assistance, Medicard prepared a product para ma-address yung gap at ma-bridge yung government employees na magkaroon ng access in trusted and quality healthcare. Because every government employee works tirelessly to serve the interests of every Filipino at deserve naman nila yung assistance na makakapag-support sa kanila when they needed it the most. Medicard's Government Worker Healthcare Plan, a complementary healthcare for a healthier you. Magsaserve tong additional healthcare coverage that will complement your PhilHealth benefits. An assistance na pwede kang makapag-rely sa iyong medical scenarios, helping you reduce your hospital and clinic bills. Medicard's Government Worker Healthcare Plan for only 7,000 pesos per year. Product benefits, just to give you an overview, so meron siyang 60,000 na annual benefit limit. When it comes to the pre-existing condition, it covers 0% sa inpatient and emergency, 100% on outpatient consultations only. Inpatient and emergency benefits, the member can go to the accredited networks only, excluding 5-star hospitals. For the outpatient benefit, the member can go to the Medicard freestanding clinics and accredited clinics only. This plan has inner limits. So for the hospitalization, the room and board has 45 days per confinement, 500 per day. Hospital services, 10,000 per confinement. Surgical benefit, 15,000 per surgery. And doctor's calls, maximum of 45 days per confinement and 500 per day. For the outpatient, the consultation, it has maximum of 12 in a year, 500 per consultation. Treatment in clinic during consult, maximum of 20 in a year, and 200 per consultation. It also has diagnostics, x-rays, and laboratories, maximum per year, 3,000 total benefit. Emergency limits are aggregated from the inpatient benefits subject to ABL. Inner limits are the maximum amount payable for each type of benefit. Comment on this video or check my contact details in the description of this video so I can discuss these inner limits further. We also have eligible accounts who can apply for this plan. So some of those are the national government agencies like the Department of Health, Department of Education. We also have these LGUs, the municipal, the city, the provincial governments, and others. We also have ineligible accounts, meaning hindi sila pwedeng mag-apply nitong plan na to. So some of those are the Bureau of Fire Protection, the Coast Guard, and of course, there are other ineligible accounts. If your agency falls under the ineligible account, contact me so we can discuss options. We also have plans for individuals, families, and group accounts. Contact me so we can discuss these options also. Government Worker Healthcare Plan. This plan requires minimum of 200 government employees. If your agency is less than 200, contact me so we can discuss options. Also, if you're looking only for individual plan, contact me so we can also discuss options. My name is Cynthia Castro. Nandito po ang aking contact details. Just in case hindi niyo po ako makontak sa aking mobile, feel free to drop me an email or comment sa video na ito. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless.